don't blow. Maybe you blow, but if you blow, I mean, then you resetted. I did good risk management, and that's what's matter. If you could stabilize your psychology, because
Mhm.
this is actually where you grow. Uh, when you do a mistake and you learn from it and try to see what you did wrong and you redo it. I mean, Alex did that also in his old self. I did that so many times in my old self, and nobody that's profitable today has not done what you exactly just did and wanted to quit. You know, but
Yeah.
not even blowing, like not DCAing to so you blow it is, I mean, it's very very good, honestly. Just being able to take that loss, and even if you think the world is destroyed and you hate yourself, it's not that bad. that's that even might be a week of good trading and you're out of that drawdown. It's not that big, you know.
Mm.
The drawdown I lost, 10k statics, almost 9.2 to 8.8 on all my accounts on low size. That was 3 months of good trading, and I could still reset. It took some time. Honestly, I could still feel the psychology uh, bad from that. Like I'm trying to find my confidence again, but that's just normal. So I don't think it's that bad. You're just seeing the payout and the pain right now, and what you've done destroy that for the week or 2 weeks, and that's fine. Like, uh, and getting drawdown is supernatural. Also, I mean, today loss is a bit big, uh, but if you find ways to restrict that, so if you do this behavior again, you will come out not as hurt as today. Uh, mm,
I get it. I understand. But I don't think I'm gonna take another position. Oh no, I'm not. I'm okay. I'm not taking another one today.
no. You don't need to trade today, but
Yeah.
try to take a walk and come back tomorrow. If you don't have money for one account, I can buy you a one account to sustain you if you blow this account. You're saying. So just come back with mentally
I
to
appreciate the
be
offer.
able. Yeah, I'm fine with that. Uh, we're here to help each other, and I mean, I talked with Alex this weekend about my feelings and why I'm doing bad, and it's normal to us have to have lows and ups. Uh, even the ones you're seeing successful has lows and ups, up and downs. So it's just normal. That's why we are a community here and help each other.
I
Good morning,
appreciate
Alex, by the way.
everybody's wise
Morning.
words.
Hmm.
What did I
No,
miss?
but uh,
I lost
Rich,
eight
yeah,
1,200 before we traded.
Oh, like just now.
Over the course of maybe like an hour.
Oh, you're up at 8 o'clock trading.
I was up at Yeah, I was up at 8, maybe like 7 o'clock trading.
Hmm.
And they were actually going really good. Like I took maybe like two positions and they were really like they were green.
Mm.
I was back up to where like I was at normally. I think before I took the two losses, I was up 2,000 or 240 or something like that. And it was good. And then I looked at my screen and was just like, you know what, fuck it. Let me take an NQ position. I was up on every other trade I took. I even took one yesterday, and that one I passed the account yesterday because of that.
Oh, you passed the
Um
account. Oh, nice.
yeah, I passed the account yesterday. Um, it was like a really big move up, and I call that shit like perfectly, but I built it back up, and I took an NQ position, and it shot down almost instantly. I was like, all right, we can bounce back. I bounced back maybe like four trades later, and then I was like, all right, let's go back to where we're at, and it shot down Once it shot down, I took my profit. I was like, all right, it's still going down. Let me take another one, and then it shot up. And yeah, now we're here.
I
I just
see.
definitely over trading.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Which do you use TradeAwait or X platform?
I use Tradeovate, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. On TradeAwait we cannot uh, lock out how many trades you can do in a day, but I will try to this week try to be here with Alex and us and take like not more trades than we are.
Mm-hmm.
I think
I,
so. I use Lucid. I'm pretty sure Lucid caps us 1,200 for the week for the loss. So I may not trade for
no,
the
no, no,
week.
no, 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 for the day. No, no.
Oh, it's for the
Uh,
day. Yeah,
yeah, go back, go back in the horse. Just to reset today. Uh,
yeah. Even
I would
so,
even be here and watching the trading, and just come back and keep trading, and because you need to fight that fear, the
yeah,
feeling that you
definitely.
have.
I definitely see like
Uh,
everybody else making like so much profit. I'm just like, damn, you know, why can't I make all that profit? And then it'll get to my head. That's really
yeah, yeah. But when we see your progress on your eval to funded, I'm not being faster than you. Okay, I'm not making more profits than you. If you
mean,
see
I
how
mean,
long it took you to pass and how long it took me to pass, I'm not
yeah.
I'm not I'm not making more profits than you are. It's just that I have not made a big mistake like today that sets me
And,
back.
I
And
mean,
but so there's where you want to improve, not like forcing to get to payout. I mean, you're gonna come to payout if you do good risk management and fix those habits of yours. So that should be the focus,
It's so
not the
crazy
payout.
that like you think it's all like this big ass formula like about being profitable and making money, but it's actually just stop doing the most stupid things and you'll hand yourself pretty good, like if you have a general sense of the market. And it's
Mm,
but that's the thing, it's so hard to just stop doing these stupid things.
yeah, yeah.
Like you
But I
can have
mean, stop.
five.
Yeah.
Yeah, keep going, keep going.
No, I'm gonna say like you said, you have a daily loss limit with 1200, which they have, which is really good. Now you have your account alive, and you can continue come back and improve your mental. I mean,
yeah.
that's the secret sauce of Alex here, being able to join live and trade with him, is that you learn good psychology behavior. It's not about the money you make. I mean, of course that's a spice, right? But I mean, he can never say that like, oh, I'm gonna earn money this year, you know. But he's gonna have good risk management, and if you follow him, you're gonna that that risk management, you're gonna take it to yourself because you're making the same habits as he has, and psychology wise, that's gonna uh, uh, implement that in your head over time. Because if you're doing good risk management one day, the next day you're gonna be a little better on it. So it's like going to the gym or going for a walk. That discipline that you do not do bad things every single day. It's helped you with good risk management, and that's gonna help you a lot.
That's basically the reason why I'm here. Like, I feel like I have an okay sense of the market. I take good trades and stuff, but I have these moments where I can't close on the day and like you have to repeat and see this. Like, you guys, you're like, oh, one loss today, closing because we don't want to fuck up. Okay, I'll
Yeah,
close as well. Like, that's what I have to practice. Like, today's not my day. See you tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
yeah. Think it like this, Rich. You're here with us and getting better. I mean, my first years I was on myself on a personal account and blew hundreds of thousands of dollars of personal money trying to learn trading. So
Yeah, I mean,
you coming not from that, I mean, I blew every money I had, every single cent. I mean, you being able to get founded already and potentially get a payout in some months or weeks. I mean,
it's only been 5 days. I've actually
yeah,
had it
yeah,
5 days.
yeah. So now you should try to hold on to that account and trade the same low size you're trading, and just do good risk management. That's the only thing you should do now.
Yeah, you guys
Just
are
come
right.
back to that,
Just
and it's gonna feel hard, but it's fine. It's fine. And if you blow that, you DM me, we set up a new account for you, and you come back and you redo it, even if it feels hard.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good.
great psychology class, everybody.
Great
Sorry,
psychology
Victor.
class. Maybe we should do one soon.
Yeah, yeah.
Please, Jesus.
No, no, psychology is hard. You don't see how much we others struggle, but we all, even Alex struggles. I mean, I struggle also. Alex no, because it's him I go to when I struggle. Uh, but we struggle with different things. But you're gonna struggle for years. Even if you're profitable and making money every month, you're gonna still struggle. You'll still do stupid stuff sometimes,
Yeah, but
and that's fine.
you guys see. Well, when I hear you guys say, "Oh yeah, I'm struggling," and then I see Alex come up $30,000 in one trade, it's just like, God damn! Wow, let me struggle like him.
No, no.
No,
Alex,
it's not like
Alex
that
has
at
been
all.
doing this so many years, and that's the payoff of coming back here every single day when he's
Yeah,
struggling. And it's same with me, blowing everything I own, coming back, just sitting here doing my best, uh, over time getting payouts. That's the payout for doing this for so long time and being true hardship. You don't see it, but it's there for us also. Uh, I mean, it's just how it is, and if you never did something bad like this and you're not been trading for plus 5 to 10 years, I mean it's unlikable. No, not unlikable. It's impossible. Like it's gonna happen, and you're gonna find things that you need to do better and repeat and fix mentally. I mean, you know that you're over trading a bit. When you get in the mood, right?
yeah, bit's an
Try,
understatement.
yeah. Instead of that fear and like fight and flight response, you could identify. Okay, I did bad here. If I try to take max 3 trades a day for the rest of this week, I'm gonna try to change that behavior little by little. It's that it's not it's easy but very hard at the same time because you're
I
gonna
think
fight those emotionals every single day.
I think I'm just gonna stick to one and dones from now on and do like really low
Yeah,
maybe like 2 or 3 contracts and just call it like that. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, I'll
I'm
reevaluate as I see fit, but
yeah, I'm gonna say this also. Going too low size when you have done something bad, it's a way to protect your mentally, which could be
yeah,
bad. Okay, because that's also fear of you don't want to have these emotions again. But I trust us, you're gonna have those emotions again, and you're gonna fight them again, and that's fine. So if you have your risk management, just come back and redo the same and fix the things you did wrong. Like, okay, I traded 1 hour before open. I trade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades. Okay, now I'll come back this week and I trade with Alex and I take 1, 2 trades and I'm gonna do as good as I can mentally wise on that. And after this week, you see where it leads you.
yeah.
Maybe you have much more drawdown. Maybe not, but can never know. But I mean, it's not like you have you're done. Like you're blowing your account. You're not there, right? Don't need to
Yeah.
get that pay now. Even if you blow, that's also normal. Then we get back to the horse.
Most important as well is we're here, bro, and I'm struggling as well. Like, reach out to someone, like in the group, or just type like you did in main chat. It's
Yeah.
sometimes it's good to just like not keep these things for yourself. Just vent it with someone. Like, you'll get a bit of a push, and it helps a bit, you know, to
Yeah.
to struggle with the emotions, because dealing with it and keeping it inside your own brain, it eats you up in a way.
I would want to say, every one of us, can we please post the profits make on the profit and loss channel and not in main chat at all on the profitable trades? So reach close profit and losses. Close that part if you have problem with FOMO with people making money.
I didn't even know you could do
I
that.
think.
Yeah.
Stop
Yeah.
watching Top Step chat.
Yeah. It's not like
And X.
even people that have been trading long. I mean, I struggle with that when Alex do a lot better than me. I get mad at myself. Even the weeks where I take in trades on my own and they are profitable, and I take some Alex trades and they're profitable. If I have not been doing as good as Alex, I get irritated by myself. Like, my execution is bad. Like, those emotions, it's gonna come. It's fine. It's fine.
Alright, we got 2 minutes to open here.
Yeah, we saw a lot of downside. I mean, that exhaustion played out good, Alex.
Yeah, the break.
But
Yeah,
very
it
hard
happened.
to play.
I think that's kind
Very
of what we
hard
were
to.
thinking of would happen. We would see the
Yeah.
move over a gap and not during a single day.
Yeah.
So we did kind of get that here. Down quite a bit
Yeah.
right
And
now, but
yesterday.
yeah. Wasn't really expecting this though. Well, I kind of
I
was,
was.
but I wasn't.
Like the big gap down, or
No, I think we were kind of looking for the gap down. I think it was coming for sure, but I thought it would more so move off data rather than over the weekend. Unless there is some news over the weekend. Is there news over the weekend?
Yeah. It was Trump is slashing.
Oh,
He
right.
he made it after the
Okay.
close. Yeah. He's making tariffs on Sweden, and
Okay.
he wants to take over Greenland. And yeah.
Okay.
I'm seeing some buying here, pretty open here
Yeah, I wonder if we could actually see this possibly
on the
hold
CFD
here.
here. Price. I do.
This is a pretty big gap down.
Yeah.
Sold yesterday, flagged into the smaller, like 15, and then sold again, actually. So, I don't think we have data today.
No, no news today.
No. I think we should see some retrace here overall. What we see. We sold that previous week low, 25,400. I'm interested in that zone overall.
Mm-hmm.
Should we say size down today, Alex?
Possibly. Yeah, we'll see. We'll give it some time. Give it some time, and then yeah, make a decision if we want to bring down sizing or not. It would make sense, right? After I don't know how many point gap down that is, but 1.5% is quite a lot.
Yeah, 450 points, and we were down 500 points the day before. VIX is elevated.
So yeah, we'll probably see double the volatility that we see
Yeah,
from last week. So
yeah, at
maybe like
least.
50 to 100 point 5-minute candles. So yeah, we might need to bring size down today. It's my guess, most likely. We'll see at the opening
thing
candle, but
is,
so far it's already
Yeah.
100 points off the opening candle.
Yeah, but it's nothing weird to see that buying on the open
Yeah.
on these two large gap downs.
Thing is, though, I don't think I've seen EU come out with a response either, like about the tariff thing. So anything can come up, positive and negative. So
yeah, but like this gap down would price technically TA. It's perfect. I mean the TA was we lost that wedge. We had so it's not about technical always wins for me here. Like
Oh, PayPal.
this.
Sorry.
No.
Sorry, looking at PayPal here. Did it actually come down into my buy spot here? 55. Yeah, this is my buy spot here on PayPal. 55.80. It's not bad. It's actually exactly where I want to buy on PayPal. CDX. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna put an order in for PayPal for the long term. So I will let you guys know once that's filled. Yeah, I'm gonna take a buy for long term at PayPal based on our monthly chart. We said 55 was a buy area for me. Took out liquidity on the monthly, so I think it's a good R to R for at least up to like 60, 65 or so. To retrace over the next couple months.
That was a nice retest to 240.
Yeah.
I think go higher. Sudi is still going up to the buying here.
Yeah, tickers look good here. They're moving. Pretty nice, except for Microsoft here.
Structure-wise, I would want to see more downside, but just maybe not exactly right now.
Yeah, that's what I'm kind of thinking here as well. I think we still have a little bit more downside room on a lot of tickers here, just based on the bigger time frame. Since like I said, we've been in the same structure for a while, and we actually got our real breakdown with this gap. So I think we should have room overall, unless it's a failed breakdown.
Yeah.
Which it's possible. Right, gap. We just filled the imbalance from the gap, and we actually just give a full flip. Because this is all more so just news based.
Yeah.
Right. So technically, structurally wise, we haven't really actually broken anything from the RTH session.
Yeah.
Which is another reason I don't like trading news, but yeah, this is a big opening candle. So opening candle is 120 points. Bit larger than usual for sure. We should have room here though, I think. Yeah, I might go down to like 5 or not 5, sorry, 10. So 2/3 position sizing. And then we may or may not increase our stop to 50 points or so, depending. But I think I definitely will be putting the average at like 35, and then if we need to adjust it to like 35.50, I think I'll probably do that today. Here's the retest though. Said I do want to give it some time though before taking anything. Would like price to settle down a little bit first, and then look to take something. But yeah, I'll probably be, like I said, 10 contracts with 35 to 50 points. 50 points might not be necessary. Like I said, most likely won't be 50 points, but Probably 35, I think. Also depends on
Yeah.
our entry and whatnot as well, but
Yeah. I'm gonna size down 1 micro. So 3 for me.
this would be your buy spot here if you're looking long. Maybe a little bit lower down the view up.
Sold quite a lot on pickers here, but I like that premium, but this is a higher low, right? On the 1 minute here.
Yeah, we sold sub imbalances
Well,
from the left when we popped up here.
I'm trying to find out how much upside I think this break here at open was gonna give us, but I think it still could have room to 400-ish at least. With 4 daily, 4 hour. This could also be the week on the 4 hour here, and we sell down more if you want to see aggressive selling today. Maybe just sold quite hard there, but I think it looks good to continue here. This one push higher. See.
Oh, I did get filled for that PayPal position. Sorry, forgot to mention.
Oh, nice. Oh, I had a limit at 280. I didn't get filled there. Buy that for 380. Just gonna say it, but it just shook up. I'm taking away the limit. Oh. Because I want ES to take the pill out here. Gonna come up here and should be able to get 380 on Nasdaq here.
Oops, not 1500. 1800. Alright. Yeah, I'll give it some time still. Gonna give it some time. I'll be back really quick. I think this will go down to VWAP 9 EMA here. Based on tickers. Oh, there it is.
Yeah, we sold the VWAP there.
I think we might want to go down to 170 and touch those, like 25, 170, 180. Those bottoms we have the whole pre-session. Might not now, but
Yeah, this is volatile. If I got that entry, I think I would have got stopped a B there. I really like the one slight push higher. than selling, but didn't get it. Still imbalance on ES here.
Okay. We bought view up a little bit. Oh, nice smear, 55.60. Yeah, 20 cents better. Yeah, I'm not too concerned about entry. As long as we're in the 55 area, I'm okay with it. 55.80 actually is the exact entry I wanted. In terms of the chart on the monthly, when you take out that liquidity. Got some buying there off VWAP. Looks like Microsoft is kind of the only one leading right now. All other tickers look a little bit weak. Nvidia's at support overnight low.
Yep.
But some tickers don't look great. Kind of looks like it could give a little more room lower with Apple and Google, but it's kind of hard to tell here. You want anything, Phil?
No, I missed my entry there, and then we sold down more than I wanted.
Oh, okay.
I think this structure still looks good for that 400.
Yeah, I like Q
400, 425. I want around there. I think maybe that could pop a bit here with Apple, Microsoft, Meta.
Yeah, Google could still hold the close above VWAP here.
ES is breaking highs and
Yeah, breaking the
entry
preload
could
here.
have a push now.
Still closed inside the range though on the 5 minute, so would still have to see this clear above probably 50. I'd say 65. I have a level at 65, so clear above 65 and loss of view up is our range here. So basically, yeah, 100-point range in this structure.
Yeah. This is first resistance on ES here with preload and VWAP touch there. So that was essentially my 380 target on Nasdaq with that, but ES is slightly stronger there. That push, but
Let's see, if you're looking for options on PayPal, we could actually take a look. Let's take a look. PayPal options. I probably would at least do a minimum of like 4 to 6 months. Nah, probably minimum of 6 months. Let's see. I do have that. It's around June. And I would be looking at probably like the 60s. June doesn't seem bad, or July. I'd probably go with July though, most likely. July, and then whatever has like high where are my filters at? That's fine. To be on the safe side, I probably would like to buy in the money, like right now. So I would probably, for me, I would probably look at like these 55s or so. Interest isn't bad there, but 60s don't look terrible either. These 60s right here, it's also not bad. No, 2026. No, at least 6 months. That's it. That's what I'm looking for, anyways. I think it could still pull down a little bit lower, so I think if you are going to take it with options, I think there is a possibility of still waiting a little bit until we start seeing some buying come in, but overall I like the spot for the shares, so that's why I took my buy now. Okay, here's the retest on the lower end of the range, back down to VWAP. Still possible to take a long here off the reversal of this kind of flag we're setting up in right now, but
That was kind of weak for me.
yeah, I'm still not really convinced based on tickers here.
Yeah, but sold that retest there. But
Other ones don't look terrible though.
Tesla.
Google still looks
Yeah,
good.
yeah. Google looks good.
Nvidia's still holding.
Maybe they could still hold here. Yeah. Oops.
Yeah,
I
still a
saw
buy
some
spot
buying there actually.
possibly.
Oh.
SPY still selling here a little bit. Let's see if we actually lose VWAP there on the close. Kind of looks like we're trying to. SPY may or may not lead this move here if we actually lose VWAP. Probably retrace back down to opening price, tap into 180 again. That previous range from the pre-market. Unless it gets bought here, obviously, but so for me, the biggest question here is if we actually do decide to break the highs, where is our target? I guess for me it'll be overnight high, most likely. Yeah, probably overnight high. Flag is
Here we
quite
go.
nice.
Yeah. Seen some real buying there.
Kind of looking to long this here, not gonna lie, but only concern is buying at the highs here, especially if we flip. It'll be
Yeah,
quite
ES
difficult.
the P-Lod we up.
Yeah, that held.
And maybe they have that overnight low there. So that triple touch.
I'm breaking out here. Let's see if it gets sold though. Still can get sold on the close. I do have a level here. And that's actually probably what you would prefer to see hits. Like us holding above view up. Nice wicks on the lower end, right? Got some buying. It's actually quite nice because we do have this imbalance off the opening candle that we created, and then we're just continuing to hold above that. So it's actually a pretty good thing that we were basing above view up there.
Yeah.
But definitely, if we got to close below it, that would most likely invalidate the setup there. At least for me, anyways.
We have an imbalance fill to 380 and then previous week low cluster at 420, 420 and overnight high at 445. Kind of good target.
I see that. I see that.
For me, this is right at EB high yesterday's, the price action. So this should be the new short sells coming in if they want to keep adding into this. But kind of looks decently strong here. Let me see.
Yeah, still not
I'm not.
fully convinced yet with this break.
Yeah, same, same.
Said I would like it to clear above 65 as confirmation for long. Close above 65 on the 5. Otherwise, we're still in range here. Hope I found some people to climb with, actually.
Nice.
Yep. So I think we're gonna try and do something soon. But
You gonna try it out for the first time? Fun.
They know what they're doing though, so
Yeah.
I don't
Okay.
know if we'll do. I don't think I'll do like a class or anything. I'll probably just.
No.
help
Just go there and do it. Don't need classes for climbing.
Yeah, I got sold. A little bit, anyways. We have a 1 minute imbalance to 300.
We're building higher highs. I kind of like ES as well. I kind of think that we're just faking it, and there could be a big dump coming. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, SPY sold a lot more there. Kind of an ugly candle close from SPY as well. But structurally, it's still intact, even if we did close like that. But based on tickers here, kind of hard to tell. Not in love with Apple. Oh yeah, I didn't post a calendar for this week yet. I didn't realize.
Oh.
Although I thought I did. Guess not.
I saw that. Yes, structurally retested weave up, sold the payload weave up there.
Yep, still in range. Ooh, Netflix has earnings today. First big name, I guess. Financial should finish reporting this week, I think. Yeah,
Nice retest on Nasdaq there though, at 300 there. I'm not sure.
Yeah, filled the imbalance
Yeah.
on the one. It's still holding the higher low structurally on the 1 minute. It's actually nice. Yeah, we have a very clean flags setting up here.
I'm buying there on the CVD. It was fast.
ES didn't follow up as much.
Yeah, yeah, so
Kind of
that
makes.
Yeah, I see that.
Hughes might be trying to break here.
Yep.
I think it kind of looks good.
Yeah, I agree.
Can I take an entry here though? Sold.
It's not super convincing
Yeah, no.
of this big dump that we saw a slight retrace and not really super much strength here.
The dump we saw now could just be a fake out actually.
Yeah, it could be. Took the internal low on the 1 minute, but yeah, I'm not sold on tickers here. I don't think they look super bad though, but CVD is just not seeing any straight buying here anymore that we saw before. Yes, he's setting up for selling there, yeah.
I'm short. At 311.
Where's your stop loss?
It's at 35 points right now, so it's at 46. I think 46 is okay though. Yeah, I think 46 is okay. Remember, I'm on smaller sizing here, so it's not that much larger, but I am still on shorter sizing. So 35 points stop from 311 entry. Yeah, I think we're gonna lose this here. I don't really see a lot of strength at all.
Oh my.
Targets for this, I think I kind of want to look back towards near opening price, right? We would look for the breakdown of the structure. So loss below 611.73 on QQQ.
Oh wow, what was that candle
What candle?
on MNQ?
Oh, I meant Q.
That went to 336.
Yeah, it froze for
Yeah.
a second, and then
Yeah.
That's the second
Oh.
time that it's happened.
I moved my stop loss break even, and it tapped me out 150 in
Oh.
profit.
Wow, really?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna look for a breakdown of this structure here. So loss below, view up on QQQ, and then I'm gonna look the target near open price, 5-minute liquidity at what is that? 244. Could maybe look for more, honestly, if we actually do break down from here. It's possible.
Just retesting on ES here. 687.
Yeah, for the structure to be valid, we'd have to lose view up
Yeah.
here. But
Yeah.
I think it kind of looks okay here, based on SPY selling. Although I wish Qs would sell a little bit more here.
Yeah.
That actually is decent points, actually.
Nvidia could still hold here. That's the problem for me. But Apple sold there.
Yeah, that was 36 points there. .30 stop, honestly, is also valid here as well, I think.
Yeah.
Probably wouldn't want to see this get bought.
Yeah, I see some buying there on the CVD there. Nvidia
Yeah.
holding.
Makes sense. Makes sense. This is the spot to hold. I don't mind our entry, though. Actually, I think our entry is okay.
Yeah. ES gave that downside there, but not Nasdaq.
Yeah, not Qs.
Nvidia is trying to hold again here.
Although SPY did lose structure, though, which is kind of good for us if it does want to lead this downside move.
So this buying here, slight. Need to see some selling here. MNQ is showing selling, but Nasdaq are seeing buying here. Apple lost the structure. I just think Nvidia here could see some upside.
I think it's limited for Nvidia. It would have to clear above view up for me to see higher.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we're just still in range and we could kind of continue to trend here. Will this really get bought up again and just be range bound? Still. How long we been? We've been in range for 30 minutes now, roughly.
Yeah.
Seeing some buying there.
Yeah. On Nvidia ES there. Yeah.
Not the biggest fan of that. Maybe this flag will break out. Yeah, we'll see.
But
Still got time.
this was the first time nobody actually held on real there. But yeah, ES could still see lower here. Apple could
Yeah,
still
Apple's
see
still
lower.
selling.
Tesla could still see lower.
Apple should have room to
Yeah.
overnight low here.
Yeah.
That should drive. Yeah, it should drive
Yeah.
Qs here. Look at SPY still selling here a little bit. Ooh, this is getting a little volatile here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think our stop here is perfect here. Entry is decent. Maybe could be
Yeah.
10 points better, but it's not terrible.
Yeah.
Although we might get a trim opportunity here. I think if we actually sell this low. So get ready to take your trim here. This is already... It should deliver at least 40 for 1R. So VWAP, yep. Yep. There's 80, 40 points right there. I think, wait, no it's not. 71 is 40 points, sorry. It's valid though, for sure here. Come on. Looks good.
Yeah, ES looks dumpy.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Go. Here we go. Okay, I took my trim here, guys. Not half. 68. Do the rest with what you want. I might do BE. Or maybe... that's a little tight. Honestly, full exit here is actually valid, I think.
Yeah. I scale out 2/3 there, and the rest one at B here. But yeah. This is the kind of low on ES here, 68, 65.
Yeah, I actually should have probably taken that.
Yeah.
Though, not gonna lie.
Yeah, and the new I took three off. I actually went 4 in. I forgot. Whoops. But because this is on the 1 minute, the internal low, 8
Yeah.
shot up. With that, we could possibly see lower here, but this could also actually hold this range, and maybe they hold and we go back up again.
Yep. Yeah, I have BE stops on here. I don't want to see
Yeah.
this flip here.
Yeah.
So.
But ES looks not the best. If you
Yeah,
were looking
SPY
at
should
ES,
have room here. SPY should
yeah.
have room. 680.7 levels I have, so we should be able to... We got our break below view up here. We're getting the first retest now. I think we should be able to continue.
I'm just gonna take 3/4 of the trades, as I missed so much point last week. I missed my trade, Alex. It was gonna be a B trade, but still, I had a limit at 80 before. I don't know if you were here. Said it.
Yeah, I was.
I had a limit, and we pumped up, and I took it away, and then we dumped down lower than my. Good thing I took it away there,
You might get
because I
out
wanted
here.
that view up. Yeah.
Might
It
take some
looks.
more off here, honestly.
I just have one more left. I'm gonna target 24, 2, 4, 3 on that last one, which is the internal lows on the left. But this is not for this downside gap to see this weak selling here.
Not a good sign. Good sign for us. That's us being in shorts. Should have
It could be
room.
good and bad. I'm not super fan that we're not dumping here.
Yeah.
Overall.
Yeah, on the position on ES, it's looking sketchy in my opinion.
Yeah. It's valid exit here. Like I said, it is valid exit
Yeah.
here. But I'm actually quite happy with that gain there. 4K. So yeah, if I get tag BEO,
Yeah.
it's not the end of the world for me.
Yeah, I will be tagged 1 at BE. So I had a really good exit there also. Oh, that's nice. Oh.
Yeah, it's 68 there. Yeah, pretty good. But only half
Wait,
size.
no, we had exactly the same fill.
Oh,
Wow.
nice.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, you were also looking at that low, right?
Yeah.
To get at the new end lot there when it pumped, but it just spiked up like 4 or 5 points, and I think I got my entry exit around there. Then I was targeting take that low and trim on a new lot, but kinda at the old lot.
All right, guys, I'm gonna go.
Rich, how
You
are
good? All
you?
right.
I know you
No, I'm
cannot
good.
trade. Yeah, you
I'm
you
good.
cannot trade. Yeah.
I was listening to all the comms you guys were giving. I yeah. I don't really have any words, honestly. I'm just listening to your guys' comms.
Listen and learn.
But
Listen and learn.
yeah, I'm gonna close charts in
Yeah.
Discord before I kill myself on this microphone.
Yeah. But
Uh,
Rich, nothing. Try to relax and take a walk. Nothing really
yeah.
bad happened today. It's not the end of the world.
Yeah, it's not end of the world. I mean, today I'm gonna
Yeah,
probably go off today's my girlfriend's birthday, so I'm gonna go hang out with her and
Oh, that's
yeah,
nice.
yeah,
and try to think of the positives.
yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah.
That's nice. You do that.
And if you feel, I know you don't have so much money, I sponsor you, and
A
just
quick
don't do
bonus.
stupid things. Yeah, I'm gonna pressure you even more to hold the risk management. Then you're saying
You're like, you
I'm
better not
gonna.
lose my money.
Yeah,
He will
I'm
send you a
gonna make you
code.
use a daily loss limit by
They
the way,
lost limit of
if you fail.
$100.
He'll send
$20,
you a code and you
$20.
he will be inside your PC. So every time you're like about to click a trade, his screenshot pops up and just like, don't do it.
All right,
And you
guys,
know,
we got.
Rich, I
Oh,
had
you're
bad
good.
news. Both me and Carlos this week. We lost our funded Tix accounts
Oh yeah, I forgot
because
about
they
At
that.
shut
least,
down. The firm shut down. I had like 1.3 to 1.5 plus on funded on every of those accounts. They just burned. They just closed all the accounts and sent me the refund from when I bought the account for $45.
oh God.
Yeah, and same with Carlos, who was also funded. You know, things like that's gonna happen. You just need to try to reset, and come back, and
Yeah.
yeah,
I
it's
mean,
fine.
I'm gonna try to take a win on the PayPal entry. I didn't end up entering because I want to see if I can get a little bit of a lower entry, but I'm probably gonna enter pretty soon, and then I'll just take that as a win. My long term has been doing like pretty well. Like
My
Looks
go
good.
I
here,
don't,
guys. Yeah.
Yeah,
yeah,
we're selling this internal uh, on the. It's a a higher higher low. No, lower high. My
Could we
God.
look for 100 plus points? Yeah, I think it's valid. It's
100
honestly possible.
points.
200 psych is kind of not bad of a target in my opinion if we actually lose this. Only for a runner though, obviously, but
Yeah.
maybe for entry is a little bit better. Can't tell.
We could still hold this area. We have not
Yeah.
lost it yet.
Not seeing any aggressive selling yet.
270. Yeah, the 270.
If we lose this, it will pick up. I'll say that.
Yeah. We should have a draw to 246 directly then. But Abel coming into supply here now. All our overnight low, right?
Still, yeah, that kind of was my target
Nvidia,
actually.
yeah, Nvidia still holding the overnight low. I don't know what, but if it picks up here, we should have quite a nice downside move. But now it looks like it might hold this range for me. But even if we do that, can't we just take the 40s? Can't we just get out the internal lows on the left?
Oh, we're gonna do
Stop.
it, Philip. Don't worry. We're gonna do it.
Yeah.
Look at the 1 minute.
Oh, here it comes. Here it
Oh,
comes.
here it comes. Yep.
Oh.
1 minute H here. Clear equal lows below 65. We should pull straight down. Take out the liquidity on the 5. Yeah, 43 or so.
I'm not seeing the seller on the CVD here on the NQ contract. I'm gonna send you, but I have one at B. So
No, we're going the wrong way.
yeah, you didn't want to see that, but still taking a lot of time for this A to R to
Yeah.
see the CVD on the Nasdaq
Oh, we're gonna get
contracts.
stopped here. Maybe.
Yeah, exactly what you don't want to see.
Well, at least our stop placement is good though. I think.
Yeah. 300 is what this needs to overcome here. The
Mhm.
close can.
Yeah.
If we don't see that, we could still like flat head and shoulders here on the. Is it?
Yes, go down. Oh, look at
Yeah,
Nvidia
one.
here.
Yeah, maybe that
Trying to
looks
actually
good.
lose this. Oh, this looks good. 1 minute flag here.
Yeah. They're going down on the MNQ's contracts.
Go.
So over time, I think we're gonna buy this. Looks, but for now, I think we should go to. Yeah, this looks.
Paper hand me wants to take some off here.
It's solid points, right?
Yeah.
60. Yeah, it's 70 point. Now
Yeah.
50 points. 50
50
points.
points.
Yeah.
You lost the 1 minute though.
The CVD on Nasdaq, Alex, just mean the overall trend here should pick up on the upside if we don't see aggressive selling. But the CVD on MNQ is going down here instead, so they could drive this quite a lot lower before seeing buying. But yeah, this is
I did take some more off right there.
nice. I think it's valid.
60. So I have 2 left. I want to be almost there. Fine. I think we'll go here though. I don't think it was necessary for me to take a trim there, but we should be able to go here.
Yeah, even the 42s are very highly likely to take an out, I think. That was my last takeaway if I was not going for the real breakdown to fill the imbalance to 18.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think 40 will most likely be my full exit, I'd say. Times at 1020.
But this is slow for this
Yeah, I
kind
know,
of
right?
opening.
That's what I was thinking. This is
Yeah,
definitely a lot slower than what we were
yeah.
initially moving earlier when we were in that range. Like we got the
Yeah.
breakout, but we're not really seeing a lot of momentum, really. But I guess
Yeah.
we're trying to defend this. This is a pretty major level here, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have my stop at the high at 305 or 304 basically. Yeah, 304.
It's very valid, I think. ES is kind of hole in this. I'm not sure here which way we're gonna go. We took out the low again and saw buying directly again there. Yeah, on the 60. Yeah, on the 60. So
Oh,
buying
glad I took
directly
my
again.
trim.
Yeah.
Glad I took my trim. 80% off, so I think might get tagged here. The last two.
Nice trade though. Nice trade.
Yeah, I'm happy with that. Yeah, I'm out.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Almost a standard win for full size. Not too fully, but
Yeah, quite
close
decent.
to it. Yeah, close to it.
I'm long
Oops, not
from 72s.
Oh, nice. Oh, 72s. Oh,
Last trim there, I'm out. And an angry baby next to me.
yeah, Nvidia held there.
I took
most of the tickets fell.
72s. I sold 3 at 310s, and then I sold 2 at 335, I think. So I was with
So
that
the
whole
C-
candle.
Yeah, so the CVD there was correct on the NQ. We are seeing buying, but they are taking all everything up because MNQ is so buying there also, which invalidates the downside here. I think without hold there. Should target 383 here for me. But I'm done today with that. That was nice.
Yep.
Yeah. I think your long was better though. How can I say that you were able to take the entry there right before
Yeah.
it? Yeah, nice
Wow, what a
momentum
candle.
entry. Yeah.
What a candle. Yeah, he got our
We
move
held
within like 5 seconds.
no more than our move in
More than our
seconds.
move in a couple seconds.
Nikolai, how much are you up?
Two. No, I was gonna say 250. 495.
Okay, lock out.
Okay, boss.
Yes, you all don't know I am Nicholas boss. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I
No.
just got the. I wish Rich should be here. I just got the picture up on my screen. It said
I'm
lockout.
still here.
Yeah, I got his face like ended up in the middle of my screen saying, "Lock it."
Nikolai,
Yes.
I hear on your voice that you're happy now.
I am
Right?
pretty happy, but
Yeah,
I'm
that's why I
running.
said lockout.
Yeah, I locked up. I did.
Oh, awesome.
It's just
450.
all this
on
time
good
you
run.
guys are talking. I'm spending some time at the charts, and I'm spending sometimes going into a Pippi Longsock's. What do you say? Koja. What do you say? Koja. Like a
okay.
little baby hut. A little hut,
yeah.
or what do you say? I'm crawling in. Yeah.
Yeah. I've done exactly what you're doing now, trading with small kids. It's freaking hard. It's even harder with my bigger kids.
I'll send a picture in the main chat of what I mean with where I've been spending some time.
Just so you know, the people here has heard me so many times. Oh, I need to go and clean a butt or my kids,
Good thing is though I can.
youngest screaming like, "Oh, I pooped! Help me, Dad!"
Good thing though is that I
lungs,
can
yeah.
still keep my